Good Friday afternoon, everyone. I'm Shelley Bota. Thanks for joining Local 5 News at noon. And new at noon today, with the high temperatures, wind, and dry grass, much of our area is still in very high fire danger risk. And some areas with more extreme conditions remain in a red flag warning. A wildfire in Monroe County has spread to more than 3,000 acres and is still burning as we speak. The DNR says it's 60% contained. This fire was first reported in Jackson County, but updated information and mapping show the fire is in Monroe County near the border. Firefighters and fire responders are still working to contain the wildfire, which is located near Fort McCoy. Many residents were evacuated, although those orders have been lifted since. 3 buildings were damaged and 1 shed was lost to the flames. The DNR says fire crews are making progress by using engines and bulldozers to build containment lines and stop it from spreading any further.
Usually it's still pretty wet from having some good snow in that. Apparently the ground's pretty thirsty, so it's been soaking up the water pretty well. We're hoping that on Saturday there's supposed to be a good rain coming. We're really anticipating that's going to help soak things down a little bit, make it a lot safer for everybody. So up until that point, we're asking people to be safe and not use any outside fires.
And here is the latest image of how far the fire in Monroe County has spread. The black lines show where the fire has been stopped by those containment lines officials dug out. The red shows where it's still actively spreading.